Hello everyone, welcome back to GT Racer. Now it's finally only 2 more days before I'm getting married, so yes, I'm starting to get a little bit nervous, but never mind that, because today I finally got another package. This time it's from Germany, from alfisti.net. I always want to say Alfista, but it's alfisti.net. And in this second package I got my Novitec GP1, what do you call it? Speedometer control kit. I don't know what the name of this thing is, but it's a very small electronic device that makes the gas response much faster. That means that it's a delay. When you put down the gas, it's a delay before the car revs up. And as I understand, this is decided. It's pre-decided choice by the computer, because the computer is learning how you drive. So of course, if you were driving very often very fast and you drive like race car driving, then of course the computer will learn your way of driving and make the response much faster every time you press the gas pedal down. But in this case, since I use the car every day, drive the kids to school and stuff like that, so I drive like normal most of the times. So that means that the computer learned my way of driving now, and that makes it a much slower response. And this electronic device I have here is a way to come around that problem. I'll take it out of the bag. And it looks like this. This doesn't look like much right now, but let's unwind everything here. As I understand, these two connections are going to be put on top of the gas pedal. There is the electronic sensor that goes in. You have the gas pedal, you push down, and there's an electronic sensor or something like that that feels how much you push down and send the signal to the computer. These two things will be in there instead for that. And this cable goes through this box. I think inside here is some kind of computer chip things that is, how to say, sends a signal that it will go much faster. The rev up when you push down the gas pedal will go much faster. And how you control that in, is this small thing here, you see? So I understand this will be different colors. And you push it like this. Yeah, and there is 3 levels in this. Wait a second, I will show you the papers. You already recognize the front. It's the same front they have in the other video I made when we changed the sport shifter. It's the same front with the mounting guide, but now it's the Novitec GP1. And the first picture here, you see, here's your gas pedal, and here the 2 connections, these 2 goes in on top of here. I don't know where I should mount this, because this has 2, let's see, there's 2 holes, so you can have screws in it. So I think that this must be, I need to fasten this someplace inside the car. And of course we have the long, thin wire, and this one I want to put this perhaps close to the wheel thing, so I can just go down with one hand and push this button. And here it says inactive, then it's no change. When the light is green, it's a 40% more direct response, and if it's red, it should be 75 more direct response. But the interesting thing is here, because I can open this little box, and I have there a small I don't know what you call that. They say it, turning the potentiometer, you have more levels. So they say if I have it on red, 75 more direct response, and I can turn this up to a 9, then this 75% will increase with 30% more. And then I'm getting close to 100%. And that is something interesting. And also I can turn it down. I can turn to my 75%, gets 30% lower too. But I don't understand why would I want to do that. I want to have as a fast response as possible always. Yeah. But this will be the next video, and this will be a really fun video to do, because it seems pretty it's dangerous. I'm about to say, oh, this seems pretty easy, and every time I say, oh, this will be easy, 1 hour's work, and I'm out working for 5 hours. But it seems pretty simple. I'm more concerned about, because this tool is on top of the gas pedal. I need to hide this cord and this one in some good place, and then I have a very long up to this one. And there is I have no instruction of how to do this the correct way, and frankly, I can't find anything on YouTube or anyone else who have done this and made a good video of it. So if any one of you see someone who has done this before, please send me a link so I can see how to do it. But after this weekend, after the marriage, yes, we will do 2 videos. The sport air intake from Romeo and this Novitec GP1. Yeah, 2 days more to marriage. Yeah, wish me luck, and see you next week in the new videos. Goodbye and have a good weekend.